Firstly, go to your browsing site. Just press ideogram.ai. Is loading. So this is the interface of ideogram.com. So now just come here, describe what you want. Then I'll be putting my prompt here. So here you see auto in my, if you want magic prompts, you can put it on this auto, but in case you don't want, just off it. Then any ratio you want, me I want 16:9, then I'll pick this. If you want your image to be public or private, then click here, then come here and put your prompt. So this is my first prompt. Then I will come here to generate. Don't forget to change to 16:9 for YouTube, then generate. Then you see here that is generating our images for us. Yes, we have our image already. So this is what they've generated for us. So this is how you can use this site to create your own 3D cartoon animation. You can come here, then download. If you want in PNG or JP, just go for this JPEG. So it's downloading to your computer or to your phone. So there is another prompt I want us to try. So this is another image that I created through the prompts that I have. I'll be dropping the prompts below in my description. You can check them and use them for yourself. Let's check the second picture. Wow, this is really great for your animation, for your video. Please try this site out. They are really great. So please, I'll be dropping the prompts in my description below. Please subscribe for more of prompts on this channel. So this is the third prompt that I use for this my 3D cartoon animation. You can see how the pictures are.